Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding the Python NOT operator in if statements. Introduction. The NOT operator in Python is a powerful tool for negating conditions in if statements. It allows you to create more expressive and flexible code by reversing the truth value of a given expression. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the NOT operator in if statements with code examples to enhance your understanding. The basic syntax of the NOT operator in an if statement is as follows. In this example, the NOT operator negates the condition number equals 0. If the number is not equal to 0, the first block of code will be executed. Here, the NOT operator checks if the string is not empty before executing the corresponding code block. In this case, the NOT operator is used to verify whether the list is not empty before proceeding with the code in the corresponding block. Here, the NOT operator is combined with the greater than operator to check if the value of x is not greater than y. The NOT operator in Python provides a convenient way to negate conditions in if statements, making your code more concise and readable. By understanding how to use NOT effectively, you can write more expressive and logical code in your Python programs. ChatGPT.